Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. This is the day 3 of hackathon, the final day. If there's anything that we have to do it today. So let's do it. We are a bit late. We had some work. The entire team. That's okay. The evaluation is at starts at 11 a.m. I need to fill some petrol. Also, my bike is gonna complete the 10,000 kilometer mark today in some time. I wanted to complete 15,000 kilometers under 1 year, but this pandemic, I could not go anywhere. That's okay. It completed 1 year the last month. 9999.6. 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, as you can see, 0.9, 10,000 kilometers, man. Damn. It has been to Bangalore, it has been to Nandi Hills, it has been to Gandikota, Mehboob Nagar. I don't even remember, dude. So we used to do these short rides, like a one-day rides, where we come back home at around 4-5 p.m. maybe, or sometimes a couple of hours late or couple of hours early, because we had no time to go for a long ride. So I went, my first short ride was I went to Warangal. I went alone. That was one hell of an experience, because that was the first time, and that was the first time I went in my bike for such a long distance. It was around 170, 160 maybe, I don't remember. It's been a long time. And after that we went to Suryapet, Mehboob Nagar, I told you already. So there are 3 or 4 more places which we went to. I could not record because I did not have a GoPro back then. But yeah, if we go anywhere from now, you will be coming with me. Hackathon. Hey guys, Vishnu, Manpreet are here. I was taking a time lapse, but I thought I'll just go there and place the camera somewhere over there. Let's start the work, man. I also need to make a data set of my face, so there's no time. Let's do it. I'll give you an update after some work is done. See ya. Also enjoy these B-rolls, man.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, we are done with the hackathon day 3. The last evaluation completed. Everything went so well. Manpreet, what do you want to say about
Today was
day
a good
three?
day. Today was really good.
Okay.
And we didn't mess up today, basically.
Yeah.
That was the thing. That's why it's good.
Yeah.
When you
And,
mess up, it's bad.
our project worked
Quite
quite good at the end.
And you know that there was a judge. She brought her son yesterday when her project was not working properly, and today when it was working properly, she
She did
didn't.
not bring her son.
What is this?
Yeah, we can't do
I think she
anything.
was expecting us to do
Improve
well.
it. Yeah.
And
But yeah, we improved quite a lot. since
go home
yesterday.
directly. Don't roam with this guy.
Okay.
You will get corona.
Okay. Bye guys.
1 मिनट रुको रे 2 मिनट ले ले भाई मालू
Vishnu, what do you want to say about day 3?
भाई लोग
What do you want to say about day 3?
Day 3 was really awesome. Everyone did really well, and the end results, what I said, mashallah, boys played well on first day. It's the same on the third day also. We rocked it.
Can you please close the door so that Nikhil can start moving?
Bye sir. Bye.
Alright guys, done with the last day of hackathon. It went very good. We are satisfied with our performance, our presentation, or whatever you want to call it. There was a mentoring round in the morning that went good, and we started working seriously, and our every module started working very good. It started recognizing face quite well. The emotions and the age recognition wasn't working that good, but by the time the evaluation started, we changed the model of age recognition, and it started working good. I mean, this part of the project was done by Nikhil and Sahas mostly. Everyone did their part of the work, and everything went well. Also, I tried to fix the windshield today morning, but I need to find some another solution. The thing is, the screws, the two screws which are in the front, they are hitting the instrument cluster here and here, so they're like two small holes wherever the screws are, and it's vibrating now. I mean, every time I ride, so I need to find a solution to fix that. I don't know what I'll do. I'll have to think of a solution. Taking like crazy. I have been sitting the whole day. There's no movement. At least yesterday we went out. We were messing around. Alright guys, I'll end the vlog here. The day 3 is done. The final day of hackathon comes to an end. Thanks for watching the vlog. Please like, please share, please comment down below what you feel about my vlogs. It really motivates me, as I say. You can also DM me regarding rides or anything regarding Smart India Hackathon. I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Just keep moving. Tonight we're gonna dance again.